Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Anais, and today, as you can see by the title, I am going to be eating red food for the entire day. So I saw Saffron Barker do this video and I loved it, and a lot of other people have done it since, so I thought I'll give it a go myself. First up, it is 11 o'clock and I actually haven't had any breakfast yet, so I thought I'm going to go to Starbucks, which is on campus, and ask for a red drink. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for weekly videos. And if you do like this video, please comment down below any other colours you'd like me to try out. First up, Starbucks. Let's go. Bless them. So I've just come out of Starbucks. I said that I was filming the video. I didn't want to film in there because I didn't know if they wanted to be on camera or not. I asked for the reddest drink possible, and bless them, they were trying so hard, but she said the more she made it, the more it was going pink. So this is what it turned out with. It was a strawberries and cream frappuccino they decided to do in the end, but then they just added more pumps of strawberry syrup to it, and it just tastes like jam. It's the nicest thing. I'm gonna take this back with me, drink this. This is kind of my unhealthy breakfast, but it is really good. They were like joking about saying they were gonna add rosé and stuff to it to make it more red. Right, so this is all the stuff that I got shopping. So I got some beetroot falafels, and they actually look really red. They look really good. I got some strawberry laces for stacking later. I got cherry yogurt. I thought that would be the best because the others might be a little bit pinker. That might be darker. Got some red grapes, some strawberries, some red Thai curry paste. That's going to be for my dinner. And with that, I've got some Mexican style rice. I know Mexican and Thai don't go together, but this is the only thing that's like orange, well, orangey, reddy kind of coloured. I've got some pomegranate juice. I had some sriracha sauce already. I'm going to pick the beetroot out of this and have it with some red pepper I've got left over, some tomatoes, and these sweet chilli wraps that are like a reddy orange. So I'm going to have the wrap now, make that. Okay, so I've got my wrap, and then I've got some red pepper hummus that I actually borrowed from one of my flatmates because I thought it would add to the flavour. I've got some sriracha sauce, some tomatoes, some beetroot, some red pepper, and then I've just heated up some of the falafels and I'm going to put them on top. They're actually so red. I'm really happy with those, and they look super yummy. So I'm going to put those on top like that. And yeah, I'm just going to have that, and I'm going to pour myself some pomegranate juice as well. Okay, so I'm actually really impressed with them. I've just been shopping to, where have we been? Aldi, and I got some of these drinks. What even are they? Strawberry flavoured Ribena things. And where are we going now? We're going to play football, aren't we?
Yeah, you're going to have a kick around with your red drinks.
My red drinks. Yeah, so I'll update you guys when we get there. I'm back home from my day out. I had a really nice time in the sunshine, and I'm going to make my dinner now. It is exactly 5 o'clock, but I'm starving. So I've got the red chopping mat out because I thought, why not stick with the red. There's not really a lot of stuff to put in here. I've got a red onion, I've got some pepper, some tomatoes, and then the red Thai curry paste. But yeah, I haven't really got a lot of veggies, so I'm going to put some red lentils in there to bulk it out a little bit. And then obviously I've got my rice, which is the same colour as that. So I've cooked my dinner. It literally looks like sick. It didn't work out very well at all. It's literally all the same colour, so it looks disgusting. And it's not even red, it's orange, so this is a massive fail. But to be honest, it does taste a lot better than it looks. So yeah, it's a red Thai curry with Mexican rice, which is red, and then I put red chili flakes. But it doesn't look very appetising. Just a quick update for you. I'm eating it and oh my god, it actually is really nice. So it tastes like how well, red Thai curry should taste, and the rice and everything is really nice together. So I hope I haven't failed too much. I mean, it is kind of red. I just mean when you cook red things out, the colour kind of comes out a little bit. But yeah, I'm going to carry on eating this because it is super yummy. I just thought I'd update you guys. But super good. And I'm just watching Saffron, it's a new video, so I'm going to watch this and then eat my dinner and then get something for dessert. So it is a little bit later now and I've just opened these because I was making a thumbnail. But yeah, I'm just going to eat some of these. And I've also made my yoghurt, which looks it looks so good. It's like different shades of red and purple, but it still looks amazing. It looks so yummy. I'm so excited to eat this. So I'm just going to eat this. I'm going to say that's the end of the video now, just because I'm just going to eat the food and not really eat anything else for this evening, because I'm pretty full actually. I'm pretty happy with this, how this turned out. Although my curry and the Starbucks wasn't necessarily red. I mean, I tried and the people at Starbucks tried as well. I feel like I'm a bit blushed. Even my cheeks are red now. But if you did like this video, please smash a big thumbs up and comment down below any other colours that you'd like me to do. I found this one quite easy, so whether it would be harder to do like a green or yellow food, something like that, but really happy with how this turned out. So yeah, if you did like, please smash a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for weekly videos, and I'm just going to eat the rest of this food now, but I hope you enjoyed and I'll see you next week. Bye guys!